What's going on, everybody? Armando Nava, your local Texas realtor, checking back in with another property tour. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Be sure to drop that thumbs up, show your boy some support, and be sure to sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful property tour here in the new Braunfles area. Oh my gosh, just look at that outside. All those windows, all that natural lighting coming in. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It is a new construction at home here in the new Braunfles area, and the address is 5942 Keller Ridge. I also want to thank the listing agent, Zach Plotz, for letting us tour this beautiful home. So this home is not too far out from San Antonio. A lot of the things that you guys might want to consider when you are moving to New Braunfles is that it is not necessarily city vibes, I guess you could say. It's more of a hill country, plus a little bit of city. There is a lot of wine and breweries around the area. New Braunfles is definitely known for Schlitterbahn. Yeah, I mean, as a kid growing up, my mom used to always take me to Schlitterbahn here in New Braunfles, and tubing. Oh my gosh, we loved tubing. That's what I loved about New Braunfles. And some of the things that you will also see here in the New Braunfles area is that there's a lot of shopping centers, a lot of farmers markets on the weekends, and a lot of great food. So definitely have a lot of variety in terms of Longhorn Steakhouse, BJ's, Panera, Las Palapas. So like I said, and you're also not too, you're about a 40 minute drive from Austin, Texas, and then about 30-minute drive as well from San Antonio. So you have a little best of both worlds. Now, in terms of the education, the New Braunfles Independent School District is the schooling around the area. There's a lot of things to do in terms of nightlife, and yeah, so it is an awesome area to live in. Great investment. It is growing rapidly in the New Braunfles area, but look at that kitchen, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all those windows. I'm just in love with the windows because it just brings in so much lighting. It just looks so open. As you can see, there's a huge, just elevated ceilings. Everything's pushed up, and we'll come on over here, and we're gonna head over to this kind of little coat area where you can put your coats. Got the white cabinets, and then you have this little, that's where your washer and dryer go. I was kind of like, oh, where do I go? Do I go here? Do I go right? And then I found the garage. There was still some equipment left from the builders. But as you can see right here, it is a spacious 2-car garage. I would definitely turn that into a gym. Like, honestly, I would love to turn that into a gym. I've always wanted a home gym, so that would have been perfect. And you got this little window there. That's perfect, making sure that nobody's on your property. That's what I would do. I would just be looking out there. But as you can see here, we're going to head on over to the master bedroom. And once again, the elevated ceilings, the windows, OMG. Guys, I'm telling you, I fell in love with this home as soon as I walked in. I was like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And the master bathroom, it's like white on white, just looks super just luxurious. That nice double vanity. Got that stand-up shower, the garden tub as well. Got this marble countertops. A lot of cabinet space. Okay, look at that. Oh, tell me what y'all think about that. Look at that. I would definitely, I don't even know if you can do like a cannonball in one of those. I feel like I would be the one to try it, and then it would break on me. So I'm probably not gonna do that. So yeah, this is gorgeous. Okay, guys, and then you're gonna see here we are gonna be going into. I was like, what angles do I get? And I actually just bought this really cool gimbal, and it's like really good, but it's still a little shaky. So I do apologize for that, guys. Got the walk-in closet as well. Huge walk-in closet. OMG. I don't even know what I would do with that much. I mean, my wife would probably love it because she has so much clothes. But for me, I would just use a little section. Like, I don't even think. I feel like, me personally, I don't really have too much clothes. I like to wear the same thing, like not the same exact outfit, but I like to wear the constant, like, same color patterns and same outfits, but just mix match them. But anyways, okay, I'm just getting out of topic. But hey, we're just keeping it real. We're talking to you guys. I feel like I'm just podcasting, showing you guys around. gorgeous home. I was kind of getting stuck there. I was like, oh, come on, open up, bro. I need to show them this beautiful house. Come on. So as you can see right here, we got this huge backyard. Looks a little sketch back there. I would not go there on a late night. I would probably, yeah, that doesn't look too appealing there. Yeah, that's me right there. What's up? All right, guys, we're gonna go back inside. We're gonna close this door. I think I closed it. No, I don't. I didn't close it. Okay, let's go back inside and we're gonna take a tour of these other two bedrooms. And got this little cool little hallway. Once again, this is bedroom numero dos. Yes. Tell me your kids would not like waking up in the morning to that nice view. Look at that. Oh, yes, yes. Give me a hashtag yas if you are loving this house. It is so freaking beautiful. And then keep in mind, 828,000, guys. That's a lot of people. You know, I have a couple clients coming from California, all these other states, just like, what are y'all doing in Texas? Y'all are giving it away. Hey, man, everything's bigger in Texas, man. Y'all definitely got to go try out some Whataburger if you come down to Texas. Okay? If y'all don't try Whataburger, I'm going to need you to go try Whataburger. All right, we're going to go upstairs. This is really cool. I love this part. This would be perfect for an office, man. I would. Look at this. They made the attic, instead of a plain old attic, this is what they did. They made it into office, overlooking everything. That is, I mean, shoot, man. I love that. That would be perfect. I'd probably never go to the office. I would just stay here all day. Okay, got the underlighting there. Got this little kind of bar area. And then here, I was like, huh, what's in here? And then I realized it was just all this mumbo jumbo, and I'm like, oh, never mind. I don't think they want to see that. But anyways, I showed you guys. Got this weird cat photo in the corner. That was pretty. All right, let's go downstairs. All right, guys, how do y'all feel about it? Are y'all still with me right now? Hopefully this commentary is kind of helping. If y'all enjoy the commentary, I like to keep this, you know, just chill, man. We talk about the house, but we also talk about life. If you guys want me to talk more about life, let me know. But yeah, new Braunfles here in Texas. So if you guys are planning on moving to Texas, then please let me know. Drop a comment. Shoot me an email, guys. All right. I came outside to show you guys kind of like the area around it. All this green. All these like little like just hill country views. And got this little, oh man, when you drive in, guys, you got this really just huge drive-in. Like, it just, you're pulling into the house. It's just gorgeous, man. And then right here you got your huge 2-car garage. And yeah, man, check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a thumbs up how y'all feel about the house, and let me know the next price point, the next house you guys want to see. But aside from that, guys, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next house tour. God bless you all.